Volkswagen has chosen accomplices to give battery cells and related innovation worth around €20 billion, $24.7 billion, for electric vehicle extends in Europe and China, pushing ahead with a move to zero-discharge autos. Be that as it may, that is only the starting. VW a year ago began searching for accomplices in China, Europe and North America to give battery innovation worth in excess of €50 billion. Until its dieselgate outflows embarrassment was uncovered more than 2 years back, VW had been eased back to grasp electric autos. However, the misrepresentation has incited a key move, while progresses in batteries and a worldwide battle against contamination are raising weight on carmakers to receive zero-discharge choices. Europe's biggest automaker said on Tuesday it will grow EV generation to 16 industrial facilities worldwide through the finish of 2022. VW has an objective to dispatch 80 new electric autos over the gathering by 2025 and offer an electric variant of every one of its 300 gathering models by 2030. We have made a special effort over the previous months to actualize the roadmap quickly and unfalteringly, Chief Executive Matthias Müller said at VW's Profit News Conference. A choice on a provider for North America will be taken soon, it said. VW's discharges outrage, new Chinese amounts for electric autos and fixing rules on carbon dioxide, CO2, emanations in Europe are making automakers center around green autos and self-driving innovation. In spite of the fact that thinking about billions of euros in expenses and fines for Dieselgate, VW has promised to burn through €34 billion on EVs, self-sufficient driving and new versatility benefits before the finish of 2022, a standout amongst the most eager projects in the business. Independently, the German carmaker emphasized direction for higher vehicle deals and income this year and also a gathering return on offers of 6.5 to 7.5% before unique things, contrasted and 7.4% a year ago.